Trump versus Elon Musk. Tariffs and crypto in the crossfire. The brewing rivalry between Donald Trump and Elon Musk represents more than just a clash of egos. It is a collision of two powerful visions for America's economic future. Trump, the former president and political firebrand, has re-emerged onto the national stage pushing for aggressive trade tariffs, economic nationalism, and a return to traditional industries. Musk, the billionaire tech entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and X, formerly Twitter, represents the opposite. A globalist, high-tech future powered by innovation, artificial intelligence, and decentralized finance. Their divergent views on tariffs, trade, and cryptocurrency are becoming a central ideological battleground, with major implications for business, policy, and the future of America's role in the global economy. Donald Trump has long been a champion of protectionist policies. During his presidency, he imposed sweeping tariffs on China, Europe, and other nations, arguing that these measures were necessary to revive American manufacturing and reduce trade deficits. Trump's America First approach resonated with working-class voters who felt left behind by globalization. As he campaigns again for the presidency, he has doubled down on these ideas, promising a universal baseline tariff that would effectively tax most imports into the United States. Critics argue that such tariffs would trigger inflation, damage diplomatic relationships, and harm American consumers. But for Trump, tariffs are about power, both economic and political, and a tool to reassert American dominance. Elon Musk, on the other hand, sees the world through a different lens. A proponent of free markets, global supply chains, and decentralized technology, Musk has consistently criticized tariffs, calling them artificial barriers that stifle innovation and economic growth. Tesla, for instance, relies heavily on international partnerships and global manufacturing, from lithium mining in South America to battery production in China. Tariffs not only complicate these relationships, but threaten the cost efficiency that allows Tesla to compete in global markets. Musk's vision of the future is borderless and fast-moving, one that embraces technological disruption rather than government-imposed economic walls. The tension between Trump and Musk goes deeper when it comes to cryptocurrency. Trump has expressed skepticism, even hostility, toward digital currencies. He has called Bitcoin a scam and criticized the rise of crypto as a threat to the US dollar's dominance. Trump's economic vision is rooted in traditional finance, central banks, fiat currency, and gold-backed values. His base, made up of many older and more conservative Americans, shares this skepticism. Trump's re-election agenda hints at more regulatory crackdowns on cryptocurrency, especially as concerns grow about crypto being used for illicit purposes, tax evasion, or foreign interference. Musk, by contrast, is one of the most vocal and influential figures in the crypto world. Through tweets and public statements, he has moved markets, sparked debates, and popularized coins like Dogecoin. Musk views cryptocurrency not just as an investment, but as a fundamental shift toward financial freedom. He supports the idea of decentralized currency systems that operate outside of government control, a revolutionary idea that resonates with younger, tech-savvy demographics. For Musk, crypto is not a threat to stability, but a solution to inefficiency, corruption, and centralization in global finance. His companies have even experimented with crypto transactions, and he's floated the idea of integrating blockchain with future platforms, including social media and AI systems. This ideological rift between Trump and Musk is likely to intensify in the coming months, especially as economic policy becomes a central issue in the 2024 election cycle and beyond. Trump's allies are already framing Musk as a billionaire who benefits from globalism and evades taxes while exporting jobs. Musk's supporters see Trump as a relic of the past, trying to cling to a dying industrial age with outdated tools. The conflict also reflects a broader cultural shift. between populist conservatism and tech-driven libertarianism, between nationalism and globalism, between old money and new wealth. At the heart of the Trump versus Musk conflict is a question about what kind of economy America should embrace. One that protects its borders and revives its past, or one that opens its doors and builds for a future defined by algorithms, space travel, and blockchain. It is also a contest between two powerful brands. Trump's is rooted in loyalty, traditionalism, and personal charisma. Musk's brand is built on innovation, disruption, and futurism. Both command massive audiences, shape public opinion with a single post, and draw intense loyalty and criticism in equal measure. Their feud, whether implicit or explicit, is already having real-world consequences. Investors are watching closely. Policy analysts are trying to decipher what a second Trump term would mean for tech companies. Crypto enthusiasts are concerned about regulatory overreach, and everyday Americans are caught between two visions. One promising to restore greatness through control, the other to unlock the future through freedom. In this ideological showdown, tariffs and crypto are just the beginning. Trump and Musk represent two poles of American ambition, and their ongoing tension will likely define the political, economic, and cultural conversation for years to come. Whether they clash directly on a debate stage or indirectly through influence and media, their battle is symbolic of a larger fight over who gets to shape the future and what that future will look like.